Hello and welcome to this short Yoga Nidra non-sleep deep rest practice. This is a 10-minute energetic reset meant to restore your energy and recalibrate your nervous system. Please take a moment to find a comfortable position lying down, preferably on your back. However, if lying down is not available to you at this moment, you can also receive this practice while sitting. All you need is 10 minutes of privacy to go inward. Once you've found a comfortable position, allow your body to be fully supported, feeling the weight of your body against the earth or the bed or a chair. Legs are released. Shoulders are soft. The eyes are relaxed, either closed or with a soft gaze. You may notice sounds around you. Can you release any labels of those sounds and just notice them as sound? And then perhaps noticing the sounds closer to you or within you. Your breath, maybe the subtle pulse of your heart. Begin to allow all of your awareness to drift inward, out of the realm of thinking and analyzing, and into the realm of sensation, of feeling, of pure presence. And take one full breath in through your nose. Pause at the top, and then release it through your mouth with a sigh. Whole body becoming heavy, receptive, tingling with sensation. Now, could you guide your awareness to the very crown of your head and sense the point at the very top of your head, feeling the top of the skull, the space, the aliveness within the hair follicles. Noticing the hemispheres of the brain, left, right, center. As you rest your attention here, you might imagine your awareness is gently massaging this space, softening, releasing, soothing your nervous system from the inside. Now sensing both of your eyes, the eyelids. Feel them resting in their sockets, heavy, soft, cool. Your awareness massaging the delicate space around your eyes, releasing any tension, any holding. Both temples. Awareness gently massaging both temples. Down into the cheeks. Both cheeks. Your jaw. Both sides. Right, left. Unclenching. Relaxing the jaw. The tongue, the roof of the mouth, the throat, the column of your neck. Awareness gently massaging your throat, opening down into the collarbones, both shoulders heavy, sinking down towards the earth. Awareness gently massaging both of the arms, down through the upper arm, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms of the hands, and all 10 fingers. Fingertips tingling with aliveness. Awareness travels to the chest, the front of your rib cage, sensing the rise and fall of your breath, the expansion, the release. Both sides of your rib cage, feeling the gentle movement of breath, breathing through the spaces in the ribs, down into your belly, the natural rise and fall of the belly, completely relaxed, down into the hips, thighs, knees, lower legs, ankle, both of your feet, the soles of your feet, and all 10 toes. Toes tingling with sensation. And now sensing your entire body at once, all the way from your feet up to the crown of your head. The whole body completely massaged by your awareness, completely at rest. Now noticing your breath, breathing through the body, just noticing its natural rhythm. As you breathe in, imagine you're drawing energy up from the earth, through the soles of your feet, rising up through your body, all the way to the crown of your head. Breathing in, earth to crown. As you exhale, you might imagine the breath reversing, flowing down from the crown of your head, through your entire body, out through the soles of the feet, crown to earth, descending. Inhale, earth rising up through your feet all the way to the crown. Exhale, crown descending down through your body, out through your feet, into the earth. Continue this, feeling the space and rhythm of your breath, the ocean of air moving through your body, breath breathing you, prana, energy, life force. You can allow your breath to return to its natural flow and just notice. Notice the quality of energy in your body, the flow, the clarity. You may begin to deepen your breath now. Begin to welcome back the sounds around you, the surface beneath you, your body here. When you're ready, you can begin to welcome some movement into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes, rolling your wrists and ankles. And then taking a full breath in through your nose. Pause and sigh it out. If it feels good, you can stretch your arms overhead, finding length. And then you can hug your knees into your chest and find a little rock side to side. You can roll over onto your right side for fetal position and pause. And then when you're ready, you can slowly press yourself up. Take as much time as you need. If you're seated, when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And as you open your eyes and welcome back the outer world, notice how you feel. Notice the positive shift in your energy. And take this vitality with you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. My name is Sierra, and I can't wait to guide you again soon. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this practice and you have not already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new meditation as well as yoga flow or yoga nidra. Your support goes a long way, and I appreciate it so much because it allows me to continue creating. If you'd like to dive deeper with me, I have a meditation, a 10-minute nervous system reset that you can download below. It comes with journaling prompts that you can do daily just to reset your energy and move into your day with more clarity and more groundedness. I also offer longer yoga nidra and meditation programs as well as one-on-ones. Feel free to take a look if you're interested. All of that is listed below. That's all for now. I am so grateful you're here, and I can't wait to guide you again soon. Much love.